Hey everyone, welcome to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Today we've got a quick install on the GMC AT4, but because we're enduring these cold Canadian winters, I do have to warm up the truck first before I can bring it into the garage. So let's go. Alright, we're going to install a box cover today, or tonneau cover, whatever you like to call it. Oh, sorry, I was distracted by this nice tinted tail light. Link up above if you want to see that video. Anyway, we're going to put this box cover on. It's the one available from GM or Chevrolet. It's a dealer installed option if you decide to go that way. I chose to buy it outright. So let's pull this tailgate down, just like that. And let's make sure we have a clean and clear work area. So I better take out this extra weight I put in the truck because I winter drive. So we'll take this out. It's always a good idea if you want a winter tip to have weight above your axles. So we're going to take this extra weight out just for this install. Okay, we got our instruction booklet. Tools needed: 9/16 socket or wrench, some Phillips screwdrivers. There are only 20 install steps, so I'll do a bit of a montage with these, and you'll see all 20 steps in order just be put through, and then we should have our box cover on. All right guys, it fits great. We did have to adjust our first step, which was the bulkhead seal. I had to move it forward, but it's okay. It was cleaned first, so it lifted up and repositioned, no problem. One thing I wanted to show you quick, if you want the bed half open, but you're afraid these flaps are gonna blow in the wind, that's what these quick clips are for. So they're just safeties. So you can lock it in like that, and then when the wind's blowing, it's not gonna flip it over on you. Also, you probably noticed we put these foam pads on here because that is what is going to protect your window from being damaged. So these are very thick, very plush. And then we have these locking mechanisms here. You just loosen this, tighten it down, and lock it in place. So you can have it firmly up against the window if you like. If I was going on a long trip doing highway speeds, I probably wouldn't put it up this high. I would probably just undo the fixed connection and not use the box cover that day. Okay, let's take it outside and get some shots and look at the overall fit and finish. You can close this ahead of time and put the tailgate up without it causing a problem. Some box covers I've had, you weren't able to do that. So it's still locked in. So let's take it outside. All right guys, I think it looks great. Nice clean look. Couple things I'll show you that I didn't before. These do latch in every section, so it's not gonna hop in the bed rails. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber. Lots of mods coming on this and my other vehicles. We'll talk to you next time.